When it comes to bettering your form, especially when you're performing the dumbbell squats, there's a few points that you want to be aware of to really effectively engage the quads, especially also the other muscles of the lower body. So I want to go over some points that can help you better to perform this workout for better control and engagement of the lower body and quads in particular with this workout. Make sure that you start by standing in a stance that is going to help you squat naturally. You usually want to make sure that your feet are roughly shoulder to hip width apart as you're performing this workout. Make sure that as you're lowering down, that you focus on sitting between your hips. Think about that as a cue when you are lowering down into the squat. When you're coming back up from the squat, thinking of pushing yourself away from the floor can also be another cue that you can think of as you're going through the movement. Again, you want to think about sitting in between your hips and then pushing the floor away as you are bringing yourself up from the squat. There are many ways that you can improve the dumbbell squat if they feel awkward to perform. What you can think about, of course, first is lightening the load, making sure that you're using a lighter weight so that it allows you to go through the form and technique with control. Another thing you can think about as well is that making sure to, of course, elevate your heels a little bit more could help the squat be a little bit easier to perform.